Disclaimer: these photographs and video are meant for your viewing enjoyment. Therefore, the photographs may not represent exactly what is stated in the accompanying text. So please be aware that the most important part is the text, which is the Word of God. No creatures were harmed in the making of this production. That is a fact. I did not even get close. It is the effects of the camera lens which gives the appearances that you see. Just so you know, may you be truly blessed. The one who lives under the protection of the Most High dwells in the shadow of the Almighty. I will say to the Lord, my refuge and my fortress, my God, in whom I trust. He himself will deliver you from the hunter's net, from the destructive plague. He will cover you with his feathers. You will take refuge under his wings. His faithfulness will be a protective shield. You will not fear the terror of the night, the arrow that flies by day, the plague that stalks in the darkness, or the pestilence that ravages at noon. Because you have made the Lord, my refuge, the Most High, your dwelling place. No harm will come to you. No plague will come near your tent. For he will give his angels orders concerning you, to protect you in all your ways. They will support you with their hands, so that you will not strike your foot against a stone. Do you not know? Have you not heard? The everlasting God, the Lord, the Creator of the whole earth, he never grows faint or weary. There is no limit to his understanding. He gives strength to the weary, and he increases the power of the weak. Youths may faint and grow weary, and young men stumble and fall, but those who trust in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint. I do not say this out of need, for I have learned to be content in whatever circumstances I am. I know both how to get along with humble means, and I also know how to live in prosperity. In any and every circumstance, I have learned the secret of being content, whether being well fed or going hungry, whether having abundance or suffering need. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me.